Welcome back, and now news from sports. Sports Authority of Goa and Goa University have collaborated to conduct a survey on all grounds in Goa. SAG and Directorate of Sports jointly owns 112 grounds in Goa, and as such the SAG wants to find out what is the state of affairs of these grounds, what the people want, and how best to maximize its use by sportspersons and Aam Aadmi in Goa. Students of the Department of Commerce and Management Studies at the Goa University will be entrusted with the daunting task and have fixed a time frame of 1 month to complete the survey. SAG Executive Director Elvis Gomes himself looked shocked when a study initiated by SAG revealed the wealth of land under DSYA and SAG's possession for sporting purposes.
I found that we were actually blessed with several resources. Infrastructure being the fundamental of sports development. I was shocked to see that we have enough resources as far as infrastructure is concerned, but there has been no proper development, there has been no proper sensing of what is available, and therefore the thought came that we have to conduct an immediate study, a fast-track study, and through some of my friends in the management sector, we came to a conclusion that none other than the university would be in the best position to guide us in this. And that's how I finally landed with the Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Jobakar. We have given them a broad understanding exactly what we want, and they have partnered with us to give us the required data, the data that will be thereafter analyzed. There will be analysis through the MI systems. We assure that we will be able to take the infrastructure to the next level and provide some of the best facilities in the state which would be required by sportspersons today.
Professor Nandakumar Mekhot gave details of how the survey would be conducted.
The purpose of this study is to study the facilities of Sports Authority of Goa and to understand the satisfaction of the users and how to improve the facilities for the satisfaction of the users. For this purpose, we are doing this in 2 stages. The Goa University Department of Management Studies and Commerce will be doing a user survey. There are 112 facilities of Sports Authority of Goa located all over Goa in different parts. The time span of this study is for about 1 month, and we will be completing it mid-July or a little later to this.
Our video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Talegaon. Sarvodaya Sports Club's women team won the inaugural Women Premier League T20 tournament. This was a low-scoring affair as Sarvodaya batting first scored 83 runs inside their 20 overs, but Sunny Sports Club found that a steep task as they managed to score only 73 runs in their allotted 20 overs in the finals. Resha Rawal was awarded the Woman of the Tournament award, while Pranita Korgaonkar was adjudged the Woman of the Finals. A total of 5 teams participated in the week-long Women Premier League T20 competition organized by the Goa Cricket Association at the Academy grounds in Porvorim. The Sarvodaya women's team were out to avenge their male counterparts' poor showing in this year's Goa Professional League T20. The Sarvodaya girls, led by Goa's Resha Rawal, was entrusted the task, and she came out with flying colours. Batting first, Sarvodaya scored just 83 runs and failed to use their 20 overs. Sarvodaya lost all 10 wickets in 19.1 overs. Sunny Sports Club's Salma Diukar was the chief destroyer with figures of 4 overs 6 for 4 wickets. Resha Rawal top scored for Sarvodaya with 22 runs, followed by Rupali Chauhan with 19 runs. In reply, only Salma Diukar seemed to be in the mood to score runs. The Offie top scored with 32 runs, but no other teammate managed to make a notable contribution. Finally, needing 19 runs of 18 balls, Sunny Sports Club managed just 8 runs and lost the match by 10 runs to a confident bunch of Sarvodaya girls, thus avenging their male counterparts' poor run in GPL 3. Pranita Korgaonkar was adjudged Woman of the Final. Salma Diokar was Best Bowler of the tournament. Sri Devi Kaskar was the Best Fielder of the tournament. Best Batswoman of the tournament was awarded to Sunanda Yetrekar. The most popular and disciplined player of the camp was bagged by Lavina Bhagot. Sweetie Parab and Diksha Gowde were awarded the upcoming Youngster Awards, while Resha Rawal was the woman of the tournament. GCA member Kishori Haldankar said that there was too much politics in the previous GCA committee.
A few months before I was supposed to resign, but now because here it was more of politics than cricket, but now I have a free hand over here, and after forming this new committee, they have given me a free hand and I can do lots of work for cricket.
GCA President Vinod Phadke, Secretary Prasad Fatarbekar and other managing committee members were present at the prize distribution ceremony. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvoori. Parents' outlook towards sports has changed drastically in recent times all over the country. Parents today not only encourage their children to participate but accompany them on practice sessions as well. But there are a few young Goan sportspersons who have excelled at more than one sport at state level. Most recently, it has been teenager Raunak Pai who has excelled in swimming and seems to have found a strong footing in windsurfing as well. President of the Board Sailing Association of Goa, Anil Margaonkar, has encouraged multiple sport participation and has urged parents to let the children try out more than a sport. Regan Pinto was a state-level table tennis player. The lad who studied at Don Bosco School in Panji was considered a TT player with the potential to represent the country. But Regan was also a very gifted batsman and a leg spinner. Regan dropped table tennis and became one of Goa's mainstays in the Ranji squad at teenage and continues to do so today. Tejas Shivde, who ironically also was a state-ranked table tennis player, changed his court of choice to lawn tennis and narrowly lost in the finals of the state championship this year. Raunak Pai has proved himself as a good swimmer, and with medal-winning performances in the windsurfing regatta, Raunak seems to have unearthed a sea of talent.
For Raunak, because what has happened with Raunak is he's already proven that he's a good swimmer. He's come here to windsurf now and sail, and he's shown that within hardly a period of hardly 2-3 months of sailing, he's already doing very well at this in windsurfing already, you know. And if he continues in this fashion, and continues till the age of say about 15-16, doing 3-4 different sports and finding out what he has a better aptitude for, what he has a more liking for. You need everything. You need your physical attributes, you need mental attributes, you need the backing of your parents, you need the backing of your school, you need so many different things that keep adding on. And once you decide for yourself, okay, this is what I want to do. And that is not something that you can decide at the age of 6 or 8 or 10 or 12, until you have explored all the different avenues. And that's what you have to do. You have to let a child explore different avenues. Don't push him into just one sport and say, oh, you stick to this, you have to be good at this. Because often a lot of kids burn out. Because they just go into swimming and they get fed up, they can't swim anymore. Parents keep pushing them, no, you must swim, you're good, but they burn out.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari. Don't worry if you have missed this news bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Have a great weekend up ahead. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.